Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's image box block in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. So, to get started, let's make ourselves a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. There's a couple ways to do that. If you're logged in anywhere on your website, you'll have this top toolbar. Simply hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in from the back end, that is with your username and password, you'll end up on your dashboard. Head over to your left-hand sidebar, hover over Pages, and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and make for us a brand new blank page. Alright, once we're here, let's take a look at some housekeeping things. If this right-hand toolbar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that. This is where all of the settings to toggle and configure for the block will appear. Next, let's give our page a title. And this will keep things organized for later on. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. There's this blue button over here called the block inserter. There's a plus icon on it. We can either scroll down or search for the block. But since Stackable is on top of list, we don't have to scroll down too far. And we have it right here, image box. All right, drag and drop that into our workspace. Let's close the block inserter to give ourselves some more room to work with. And we have a bunch of different variations here, but let's go with default. The others are grayed out because you need to have Stackable Pro, Stackable Premium, whatever it's called, in order to use those. So, what's the difference between an image and an image box? Well, an image box comes with the text overlay as well as an icon over here over your image. And what's this good for? Well, it's great for your call to action or hero over here on your homepage. So let's go ahead and click on the outside, right? Parent, the parent block. If you click over here, it is an image box, right? And first and foremost, we have our content alignment, left, middle, and right. We'll keep it on the middle, and then we can adjust our spacing, paddings, and margin over here. And then for style, we can enable or disable a background, but that's different from the actual background image within this. Okay, and then we can also change the border radius up a bit, and then we have our advanced settings here, such as adding a link, general settings, hard position settings, custom attributes such as HTML, responsive settings to hide this on desktop, tablet, and or mobile, and our advanced settings, which are HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. Now let's go ahead and customize this this interior bit of a block. So if I clicked outside over here, we have our image, right? It's just an ordinary image block. These are just a collection of blocks. So if I clicked on the subtitle, it's a subtitle, heading, text, and then an icon over here. So I'll click on the image, right? And then I can upload one from our media library. I'll go with one of our generated virtual classroom images. Okay, that looks great. Now let's go ahead and edit this title. Now I'll make it HTML heading 2, and let's welcome to website assets, right? Okay, welcome to website assets. I'll put there we go, and then we can change. I can make it this big. I can add some text color to it. We can put a background on this, and we can make it gray, and then make it not so. I think I'm happy with that, and let's put a border around that. All right, let's round it out. Next, we have our subtitle over here. Your gateway to mastering WordPress. And we can make it a bit bigger. Right, we can change the text color to be white. Let's put a background on this as well. And the background color can be dark. Okay. And we can change this to Actually, that's fine. I'll leave it at that, and then over here we'll have just ordinary text. Okay, and we can put a background on this as well, and let's make it dark gray. And then we have our icon over here, and let's see if we have something that says go on it. Maybe a different arrow would be better. Maybe enter. Oops. I think, okay, that's fine. We can make it a bit bigger over here, and let's go ahead and preview this on a preview tab to see how it looks like as is. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Okay, once we're happy with that, let's go ahead and click on publish and save our changes. Let's go ahead and view it on our live site. And here is our stackable image box in WordPress. Hover over it and all of our bottom text and our icon appear right there. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.